Hello, Violet.
Hi, Mikoi.
Hi, it's a great pleasure to have you today with us. Hello to all of you guys who are watching us right now and attending to this webinar. It's also a pleasure to have you on board. And today we are going to cover the Marketing Cloud, Salesforce Marketing Cloud. But before we jump to the main topic of today, I think the small introduction from our side is needed. So, Violet, if you could tell us a few questions, that would be great.
Okay, so my name is Violet Simon. I am a certified marketing cloud Salesforce consultant. I am three times certified, if I may brag. And currently, I work with Ekima AG, which is a Swiss brand. In yeah, that's just a short introduction about me.
Yeah, so as you see, we have a very certified specialist today with us. So hopefully you will enjoy the session and just stick with us until the end. A few words about myself as well, just to let you guys know who I am. So my name is Mikołaj Michalak, and I also work for Tekuma IG with the headquarters uh, based in Zurich in Switzerland, and I am a certified Salesforce consultant, not taking care of the marketing cloud, but I think we will manage to go through. So, hello, hi to everyone. One more time, I see that we have some comments on the chat, which is great. And as a reminder for everyone who just joined, today we are covering the topic which is Salesforce Marketing Cloud by Violet. So, if we could jump to the agenda and review the main points for today, that would be great. But before we do that, if you could please put also in the chat the city where you are right now, that would be great. We would like to see who is watching us, and just as a short interaction at the beginning, which is, we call it icebreaker. So hopefully you will join
I
that.
probably did by example.
Yeah, okay. So I could put on the chat that I'm from Warsaw, Violet.
Yes, I will do that too.
All right. Okay, so while you guys placing your comments, I will review the agenda for today. So before we jump to the main topic, which are the key features of the Marketing Cloud, we'll talk a bit about the digital marketing from our perspective and how we do this. So just for your information, guys, how it looks from our perspective. We'll also include during this webinar a marketing cloud demo which is prepared by our marketer Violet. And at the end, we have a small surprise for you, which is a special offer for all our attendees of this webinar. And this special offer is connected to the packages that Takuma offers. So these two beautiful pictures on the right hand side of the slide. So as a Takuma, we offer packages to our customers. So a few words about that at the beginning. So first of them is sales and service automation in 10 days. Basically, as a Salesforce partner, we are able to introduce the Salesforce to your company within 10 days from the sales and service cloud perspective. Within this package, we also include testing and training end users. So it's, I think, the full option. And the other package is Salesforce Maintenance Pack. So Salesforce Maintenance Pack is directly connected to the administration. So having an experienced administrator in your company is a crucial thing, but also not very easy to manage. So if you would be interested in that for someone who will operate all day-to-day tasks, then Salesforce Maintenance Pack is for you. And one comment on that, we also offer the Salesforce Maintenance Pack for non-governmental organizations or slash NPOs, and the price for them is discounted. So also if you're from this area and you would be interested, just please let us know. All the contact information will be at the end of this session. About the special offer, well, I will not say anymore. Just wait until the end. And let's jump to the first point from our agenda, which is uh, digital marketing done by Tekuma. So how we actually operate and how we share our knowledge and how we would like to do this. So first point is our webinars. Webinar is the event, the type of the event that you're attending right now. So these sessions will occur every month and they will last for 30 minutes. And during the During the webinars, we will go through the topics that we choose, and it will be like a deep dive. Okay, so we would like to show you some potential challenges that you may face on your way, and some challenges that will wait for you in the Salesforce ecosystem. But also, we would like to present the overall products provided by Salesforce. And the other type of the events that we would like to propose to you guys are talk tables. So talk tables, they will be like smaller webinars, I would say. 15 minutes, they will happen every week, same day, same time. So if you are interested in that, please follow our social medias. All informations will be there. And during this 15 minutes, we would like to talk about our freshest experience with the Salesforce ecosystem and some challenges that we have recently overcome. So if you have any issues with the Salesforce, just please join us and treat it like a coffee with the Salesforce and meeting with the friends. Violet, before we jump to the main topic and before I give you the floor, do you have anything to that on top of that?
Well, so I would like to add that the talk table, I think it's going to be a very interesting experience because it's a short time, just a short coffee break, talking about our experiences as as we newly enter the ecosystem, challenges we face, and how we can how we overcame them. Because I can say we've overcome a lot. So yeah, I am definitely looking forward to that and having everyone there.
Well, guys, webinars and talk tables are like a sample of work of Violet, our marketer. So as you see, it's very well structured, everything. Violet, I think the floor is yours. So let's go.
Okay, so I am going to talk about Marketing Cloud, creating customer experiences, personalized ones, helping customer interactions, and providing targeted experiences for your customers across all businesses. So I am going to try to make it as easy as possible for those that are hearing about it for the first time or those that are seeing Marketing Cloud from a different perspective. So, Marketing Cloud is just a simple tool provided by the Salesforce. I would call it simple from my end, but it's basically a combination of a lot of products. I think Salesforce tried to put a lot of things into one, which I greatly admire. From a consultant point of view, it works, but from a regular point of view, it might be a lot because it covers social media, it covers web analytics, it covers email marketing, it covers even SMS. It covers to as low as Twitter, even very basic things. But yeah, so firstly, we're going to talk about how personalization is being put in place by Marketing Cloud. So it is a key feature of Marketing Cloud and it lets you personalize all the marketing campaigns, marketing emails, marketing text messages, marketing push messages. Okay, so firstly, push messaging is those very little notifications you get during the day. So let's say you're going to the mall and then you're 5 meters away from the mall and you start seeing promos on, oh, this jacket I liked 2 weeks ago, you can get it for 10% off. So yeah, that is push messaging. It comes on when you are at a specific point. So Marketing Cloud just gives businesses the perspective of trying to segment customers based on their needs and wants. So it can segment you based on your past needs or your future needs. That is where prediction comes into place, or that is where customer interaction comes into place. So one way of personalizing communication between businesses and customers is through email marketing. Every day, I can assure you that I get like 50 emails from things that I have bought from the past that I cannot remember. So sometime last week, I checked for, I think, a knitting machine or so. And then now I see thousands of knitting machines on Instagram. And I'm like, okay, so that is probably Salesforce. So I get emails for past products that I've searched for or past services that I've searched for. And those emails are tailored to my specific experience, which is personalization. So while there are many clouds that actually offer marketing, I think that Marketing Cloud actually lets you pick the experiences that you want your customer to experience or to go through. So yeah, Marketing Cloud is made up of different studios all in one. We have the email studio, the automation studio, the web studio, social studio, mobile studio, and it's also made up of builders, which is the audience builder, the journey builder, and the content builder.
So, Violet, short question then. I see that we have different names here of the features that are included in the Marketing Cloud. Probably to our new buys to Salesforce, it doesn't mean a lot. But basically, we are surrounded by the Marketing Cloud every day, right? And probably
Definitely.
we are not even aware of that. So, does it include different channels, those names of the Marketing Cloud?
Yes. So could you bring back, yes. Okay, so like let me just start from scratch. So from the for the email studio, it already says that it controls the emails. It just helps you to create targeted emails to your customers. So on the email studio, you do not even have to create the emails from scratch. It already contains templates that you can just build based on your customer journey. For the content builder, what is marketing without content? Let's be serious. So so the content builder just gives you like a template that you can build up on for your content, because it just gives you a perspective, a guide that you can follow. I call it a guide because you can have that content and it's scattered, and who understands is scattered content. For the web studio is just those web pages that you see. Should try to make it as simple as possible. Those web pages that you see when you are browsing. So let's say you open a page and then you see the ads by the side. That is done by Web Studio. So it just gives you content based on your past search or search from people in your geolocation. For the social studio, it just helps you to control your social media, control your Instagram, control your Twitter, control everything that happens on your social media. So if someone searches, so I'm sure we all know that if you search for a bag on Instagram, you will see a bag for 1 week. You will keep seeing bags until you decide to buy a bag. That is how social studio works. So for the mobile studio, it just sends SMS based on customer interaction, based on things you bought, things you want to buy, things people in your location have bought. It sends SMS. It sends you notifications. So those of us that use apps, shopping apps, when you're going about your day and you see, log into the app and get 15% discount for so this. It's done by the mobile studio too. And then for the automation studio, so the automation studio is quite complex as compared to the other studio. The automation studio just helps you to redefine repetitive tasks. So a task that you did yesterday, you do not want to do it again today. So you can say, okay, so yesterday there was a discount. Do I want to redo that discount today? You just have to go to your automative automation studio and then click on do it again, and then it's just as simple as that. And it also helps to reduce manpower, because you can imagine the time that you spend on trying to redo repetitive tasks or for marketing over a large group of people. That can be very tiring. So yeah, that is basically just the studios that Marketing Cloud offers.
So one question to that: all these parts of the Marketing Cloud, they could also ride in the tandem, right? They are not the separate features, but they can also be synchronized into one. For example, marketing campaign or digital strategy.
So I like to say that every studio in the Marketing Cloud climbs on top each other. So for a campaign, you can do emails, SMS, and social media in one campaign. So I like to say everyone works together at every point. Hello, Fauza. I hope I did not destroy your name, but I just saw your chat. So I can say that everyone works hand in hand to create a very successful campaign, because if a campaign is just done by via email and a person uses SMS a lot, you can see that the person misses that campaign at that point, because we're not targeting the right channel which the person would see the information.
All right,
So yeah.
now it's clear.
Okay, so the marketing cloud actually gives you a complete view of your customer. I call it complete because the marketing cloud helps you to connect to other clouds. So if as a business you have the marketing cloud to help you with marketing, to help you with social media, you can actually connect it with data from other Salesforce clouds. That is why the Salesforce environment is very important. Like, it's very, why would you get 5,000 tools when you can just get one tool and connect them with each other? Really? So you can actually, so an example is you get new clients every day from lead generation, which can be gotten from your website, from social media, and then they go into the sales cloud, which is for sales. You do not just have to leave those new clients in the sales cloud. It will be efficient to actually market to them. So those new leads on your sales cloud, on your sales platform, can also be used by marketing cloud to give them a welcome, to show them about your business, to tell them what they can buy from you or what service they can get from you. That is, I would say, possible with Salesforce, because I don't think I've seen it somewhere else. But yeah, so that's, I would say, it's a 360-degree view of customer data, and it is a very important point.
So basically, what you are saying, we can, by using the Salesforce, track all the interactions that we have with the client, right? Starting on the first even marketing campaign that is targeted to this person, then going through the purchase, service if needed, and the cycle actually ends, right? Because based on the products that were purchased by this person, we can design a new marketing campaign and it's still going around. So we have all the information about our customer gathered in one system, and we can just review all the steps that it was made that were made.
Yes, so every information about every client, about every customer is on your system, and you can just go through it. And I would never say a customer journey ends. I would keep saying it's a continuous cycle, because once you finish marketing a product, there's always another product to market. So yeah, it's just a continuous cycle.
All right.
Okay, so Salesforce Marketing Cloud actually connects known and unknown profiles. So I would say known and unknown because a short example is, there are people that, or when I moved to Poland, there are some stores that I never visited. I'm not sure that I would ever visit those stores, but because I bought something or because I purchased a service that was close to that thing, I started getting campaigns on that product. So I am an unknown profile to that company, but because I purchased something that actually looks like it, the AI or the artificial intelligence for that other company would market their products to me. That is actually the work of Marketing Cloud. So Marketing Cloud has inbuilt AI, which we call Einstein. We all know about Einstein, the very smart. So yeah, so it is actually a very smart tool that is built into the system. It gives you reports about your marketing campaigns, about your customers, about analytics, what your customer is doing based on the GDPR rules or based on the set of laws guiding their data and the data they have given you access to. It also helps you to actually give you tools on how to automate your data. So let's say you are using the automation studio and you're not using it completely. Einstein also tells you what to do and how to make your marketing cloud experiences better. So it also helps you with lead generation. Basically, you have reports on everything your customer is doing and how you can help your marketing at every point. So yeah, that's it.
And on top of reports, you can also build dashboards, right? Which are the visual representation of the reports gathered in one place. So it's like more intuitive for many people when they enter the Salesforce, then they see the performance overview. So,
Yeah, so it depends on which you like. If you're a visual person, if you're a visual person, yes, dashboards. But if there are people that like to see their reports in numbers and see how it's going, but yeah, reports and dashboards.
all right, I think we have now the demo scheduled. So
Demo on
if
the
we could,
Salesforce Marketing Cloud, the homepage, and just a brief description of all the products that we offer. Why did I say we? The Marketing Cloud offers, and how it can help you to personalize marketing efforts for your customers, how to improve customer interactions, and how to gain deeper understanding of your customers, and to tailor your marketing messages to better suit the needs of each individual that you market to. So I always say one of the key features or one of the main features of the marketing cloud is the ability for marketing cloud to gather and analyze very large data. The data can come from different sources such as your websites, your social media, from surveys. You can also impute this data on your own. It can Marketing Cloud can help you with lead generation if you're not able to do that by yourself. And it can also help you to automate and personalize these customer interactions. So once you log into the Marketing Cloud, this is the home page you see. At the top part, you can see all the product that Marketing Cloud offers. At the right side, you can give feedback, which is very important. You see your company name, and then you see your name, and then you can also um, tailor this app to suit you and how you would like to use it. So, for the products that Marketing Cloud offers, we have firstly the email studio, which is just allows your business to create and to send personalized email campaigns to their customers. You can also create content under the email studio. It's also a tool for segmenting and targeting customers. And then we have the mobile studio. These are the three um segments under the mobile studio. The mobile connect is just SMS. Mobile push are just notifications that you get on your phones when you are going about your daily lives, just those pop-ups that come on your phone. Group connect is basically just targeting a particular demographic at that particular time. So let's say you are in a particular place, and then once you step into that zone, you get an email, oh, this coffee shop is having a discount sale, and once you are within that range, you get an SMS or a notification. The social studio just helps business to manage and optimize their social media presence across all social media platforms. You can also schedule posts, create content, and analyze social media performance. Advertising Studio just allows businesses to optimize their online advertising campaigns, reach people that need their products and services. Web Studio just creates personalized web pages suited for the customers and their needs at that point in time based on what they've searched before or based on past information gotten from analytics over time. It also has personalization tools. You can click here if you want to learn more about these tools before using them. One thing about Marketing Cloud is that it gives you pointers to read more on topics that you are not sure of. Analytics Builder just builds reports based on decision making that has happened over time in the business, based on past searches or information stored about a particular customer, so as to direct marketing content about that product, about services, to that customer. For the journey builder, it's made up of the automation studio, behavioral triggers, and the journey builder. The automation studio just allows you to keep on doing repetitive tasks and just to streamline your marketing products or services so you don't use too much manpower on very easy tasks. Behavioral triggers, as the name says, just gives you pointers on behaviors about a particular audience or customer. Journey Builder helps you to create journeys, create personalized customer paths across multiple channels, across social media, emails. It also helps to ensure that a journey or campaigns are successful because you cannot reach the end if there's no beginning, and that is a whole journey which is from start to finish. Then we have the content builder, which is just for you to create content for marketing, because what is marketing without content? And then the audience builder is just for who you're marketing to. The audience builder is made up of your customers. It contains information about your customers. It contains information about everything your customer wants or will need in the future. That's how good it is. And then the Einstein, this is just to help your business with decision making. I call it the decision making tool. You can do testing, overview, engagement scoring, messaging insights, send time optimization. You can basically do every prediction that you want to do here, and you know what prediction can do for your business. Prediction is a tool that cannot be overemphasized. It is very needed. We have the app exchange where you can find apps to help your marketing cloud experience be better. Marketing Cloud also give you templates that make your work easier. So you want to send people that have their birthdays today, you want to send them a coupon on how to register for this, or send them special packages on their birthdays. You do not have to create a new template. This has already been created for you, and then it picks whoever fits the description and sends them emails or put them on a journey that starts and finishes whenever. You can find different templates. You just pick what you want. You can start a journey, welcome new customers. You can do different things. You do not have to start from scratch. Templates are provided for you to make this easier. This is a basic calendar. And then this is the Salesforce Trailblazer community, where you can ask questions and get answers to everything you need. You can post your questions. You can look at documents that have been provided, watch videos on how to make your marketing cloud entry, or how to make your marketing cloud use easier. You can also read blogs on digital marketing that Salesforce has provided, and you can see how to make marketing emails effective, how to deliver a successful product launch. You can also learn about Einstein. Like I said, prediction is a very useful tool for marketing. You can also see emails that have been sent, emails that you have edited. You can also see automations that have been run on the system, or automations that will run in the future. You can also see journeys that have been edited at a point in time. So this is the end of my demo, but if you stick around, next time I shall go into proper um summary. I would not call it a summary. Proper I'll show you all the in and out of all the tools, hopefully. Thank you for sticking around. Okay, sorry guys, I saw your comments. So this demo will be available on our YouTube channel after this. So please, if you did not follow, please you can watch it on the YouTube channel, and yes, and on our LinkedIn too. You can just rewatch the webinar.
Okay, so I think we have some slides left. So Violet, if you could proceed.
Okay, so I hope I've been clear so far. Not, I know I have been clear because I tried to break it down as simple as possible. So, to improve customer experiences for your business, it is very important to to know your target audience. You need to know who you are marketing to. You need to find who you should market to. I think you should actually market to everybody, but you should have your target audience for marketing, because those are the people that would buy your products, that would buy your services. And depending on the services that you offer, it is very important for you to divide those audiences and provide them the services that suits them. So it's just like for Tekima, we know that we provide services to a range of different people. We provide to NGOs, we provide to other companies. We know how to, while everybody is our audience, we know how to segment based on the services that you provide for NGOs and for commercial businesses. And it's also important for you to use personalization tools and automation tools. These tools are for you to make your life easier. So please use them. So yes, that will be it on Marketing Cloud from my side. And I hope this was as simple and as easy as possible. I am always here to answer questions on Marketing Cloud.
Yeah, thank you, Violet. I think it was great overview of the marketing cloud features and capabilities. Guys, on the last of the presentation, we have some information about the Kuma, who you are. You can see the photo of the whole team and also some basic information about us. If you are willing to get some more information about not only Marketing Cloud, but also Service Cloud or Sales Cloud, which are different modules, or you would just like to talk with us about the packages that we offer as well as the whole presentation, then on the next slide, there are all the important information about that. So you will find our LinkedIn profile, Instagram profile. Also, as Violet mentioned, the video will be uploaded on the YouTube. So if the demo was a bit the volume was a bit too low, then you can get back to this. And as we promised, we have a special offer for you guys, for all the persistent attendees of to our webinar. So on top of the packages, we will offer to you, to all attendees that are here with us, two free consulting hours on the Marketing Cloud. So we can just talk about your strategies. Yeah, and within 5 days, I think, if you contact us, these 2 hours will be placed to you. So we will be more than happy to talk to you. Violet, thank you very much for this webinar. I am really looking forward to your next presentations on the Marketing Cloud. I think it was great. We will just rewatch this session for many times, I assume.
True.
And as we mentioned at the beginning, the webinars will occur every month, as well as talk tables. So please follow our social medias and join us on the next sessions. Thank you, Violet.
Thank you so much, Mikawai. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, great pleasure.